Hello everybody. It's been 9 days since we completed this shed project, and I just wanted to show you the update and the growth that these things have got. This is bok choy, and they're doing great. 9 days of growth. It's pretty amazing how fast they grow in this stuff. So a couple things that I wanted to address. Temperature control was one, and with this hot light in here, we had to adjust the fan. So what was happening was the light was not warm enough on the evenings, the cooler evenings, like below 40. So I had to put this little plastic flap on here, and I'm going to show you what happens when we turn it off real quick. So I'm going to turn it off, and it's plugged into the same switch with the light, so when it closes it keeps the airflow lower on coming out. We turn the fan on, the light on, and it opens back up. But this also reduces the airflow coming out. So we got the temperatures under control. It never gets above 75, never gets below about 60, which bok choy in particular prefers cooler temperatures, so this is working good. Of course, in the summertime, this is not going to work. It's going to be too hot no matter what we do in the shed. It's just going to be too hot. Another thing I looked at was buying a computer fan that has a high, low, and medium setting. And what I found was that fan did not have enough airflow, even on the high setting, to cool it down enough on the warmer days, like when it's 67, 75 out. But what I did with that fan, because I noticed that we've got a little bit of something going on here with this particular plant, I suspect it's probably an airflow thing. I'm not sure why that plant has that issue, because the light's not turned up too high. It's only on about 45 or 50 on the setting. Everything else is looking good. These two guys or gals, whatever you want to call them, are growing a lot slower, but that's pretty typical to have a few plants that just don't take off as well. And it's probably because these were one of those that I transplanted too small, and so they've always been behind. But the good thing is, when these mature and we've taken some leaves off, and I actually took some leaves off of these today, these are getting bigger, and then we can replace those with smaller ones. So anyway, that's the update. I'm real pleased with how this is going, and I'm using this fan over here now just for airflow circulation, because I know that you should have airflow, otherwise you're going to end up with fungus or something like that. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it if you give a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to watch the original video of the construction of this shed hydroponics system, just go to my channel and you will see it.